Hello friends, good evening. Today my topics are uh, on income protection, passive income, liability hedging, reverse mortgage, cash rich life fund, WP Act and professional indemnity. So friends, uh, let us discuss about uh, firstly income protection. Okay, income protection. From my childhood, or rather from our childhood, we always think positive. We think about our diet, education, proper living, and education. But if we don't get our proper diet, proper education, proper lifestyle, and other things, we are demoralized. We live in depression. When we start earning, we start enjoying our life. But after age of 60, we stop earning. At that time, we utilize our savings. Now, question is, today, as per the market price, whatever is my monthly expenses, can you tell me the same expenses, same capacity, if I expect that I'll run my family with my monthly expenses with the same amount of money? It's impossible because due to inflation rate 8 to 9%, we need some bigger amount for our monthly expenses. So we need to save money. Secondly, our life, our lives are very much uncertain. It's a natural calamity that when we take birth, we must die one day. So we don't know when we'll die, but we can expect after age of 80, after 85, 90, one day we will die. But after age of 60, how we'll run ourselves? How we'll run our family? That for that reason we need to save money. In between, if we die, my family is supposed to run. My income is supposed to be protected with our corpus. So, for that reason, we need a vital subject, income protection. How to protect our income? Secondly, passive income. Once we start enjoying our life, we spend a lot of money. But unless and until we learn cost cutting, to reduce our expenses or curtail our expenses, we cannot get the passive income. Suppose per day you are having cigar, or you are taking tea or anything, but every day you are losing money with those things. If you reduce to 50% of those expenses, so every day you will reduce, or you will earn some money indirectly. So it is called passive income. Like that, you can curtail so many expenses at home. or for your family, you do usually, you can curtail those expenses, and by that cost cutting, you can easily run your bigger amount insurance policy or savings. Liability hedging. Here is a big point, the liability hedging. Liability hedging is nothing but how to reduce your liability. The discrimination between liability and asset is a big subject. Which thing we think that it is our asset, it is not actually, it is our asset. A car which is used for your family, for traveling and all, it is not giving you any return. No monetary return you are getting. But if it is used in business, it is giving you the return. So for family it is liability, because you are paying garage rent, maintenance, petrol, driver salary and all everything, but you are not getting out of it anything you are getting. But if it is used in business, you are accounting your profit after those overhead costs, petrol, fuel, driver salary, garage rent, maintenance cost and everything. It is coming in your account before calculating the profit of a business. So then you are creating an asset. So the car, at that time the car will be your asset. Otherwise it is liability. The room you are enjoying, in which building you are living, that room you are not giving any, you are not getting any rent. But if you buy a flat or a building, and if it is in rent or for other purpose, and you are getting money out of that, then it is your asset. So like that, liability hedging is vital subject for you. We can easily reduce your liability so that you can convert it into asset. Reverse mortgage. It's also another subject by which you can increase your turnover of your business or anything. Suppose you have bought an insurance of 50 crores or 30 crores or 20 crores or 10 crores, or minimum suppose 1 crore. After 10 years of savings, you mortgage this policy and you bought another property of 50 lakhs or 20 lakhs, and after buying that property you are supposed to pay the EMI or maintenance cost, everything, right? This property you can also mortgage to another party. Those from one policy to another asset, you both things are under mortgage. This is called reverse mortgage. A simple 25 lakhs policy can give you 1 crore or more than 1 crore. A 50 lakhs policy that can give you 2 crores, more than 2 crores. After your retirement, if you get 2 crores or 3 crores or 5 crores, the same lifestyle you can easily enjoy after retirement. Simply per month, if you spend 50,000 rupees, then you can easily enjoy your life with your proper lifestyle, with what you are having now. You can easily maintain that. That is called cash rich life fund. A 3 crores rupees is your life fund. Nobody is to touch that. Lastly, WP Act. Suppose you have taken loan from bank or anywhere, and you got a term insurance of 1 crore or 2 crores. But If you die within the tenure, the property value will be deducted from that term insurance, and rest, if you are liable to pay some creditors of your own, they will take the rest amount of money. But if the policy is under WP Act, that means Women's Property Act, no one will be able to snatch that money out of that thing. Your spouse can repay the rest of the thing, but no one can legally snatch that money. It is called Women's Property Act. Professional indemnity. Doctors, lawyers, and others, if they fail to prove, if they fail to cure, if they fail to construct any property or anybody's life, they are so many times they are heckled by the patient party or the owner of the building or plaintiff of the case. They can easily sue a fine. So that time the insurance company will fight back for this professional, and this is called professional indemnity policy. So there are so many things to understand, so many things to know about. So we are here to explain all these things. If you are interested, you can call me up, and my phone number is 98303745571, and my email ID is lifefundindia@yahoo.co.in. You can visit my website, that is www.advisoratunu.com. So you are always welcome. You can call me up anytime, 24/7. I am here for you. So all the best. Have a nice time. Thank you.